In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules and automations in Asana, allowing you to streamline your workflows effortlessly. If you're looking to make your project management more efficient, you'll find these tips particularly useful. First, log into your Asana account and navigate to your project dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a plus or add sign. Clicking on this will present you with several options. Choose New Project. Now that you're in the process of building a new project, you'll see a set of templates. We're going to select Blank Project because it gives you the most flexibility in building something that suits your unique needs. After clicking this option, proceed by selecting Continue. This action will take you to a straightforward form asking for basic details like the project's name and its privacy setting. Complete it fully. Once you're ready, click on Create Project. Within moments, you'll find yourself inside your newly created project. At the top of the page, you'll see different views available, like List, Board, and Timeline. For our purposes today, click on Board. Boards in Asana function similarly to Kanban boards, providing a visual layout that many people find intuitive and easy to manage. Within the board view, you'll want to add tasks that need to be done. Find the Add Task button to start listing the specific to-dos that are necessary for your project. Once you have populated your board with tasks, it's time to set up some automation to ensure that everything runs smoothly. To do this, click on Customize in the top right corner of your board. This action will open a number of settings you can modify, but focus your attention on Rules. Upon entering the Rules section, you'll notice a list of suggested automations or recommended rules that Asana can set up for you. These are based on common tasks and behaviors and can save you time if they match your needs. Choose one from this list by clicking on it, then hit Add. This will incorporate the rule into your current project setup. Finally, to make sure everything is active and working correctly, you'll need to publish your rule. Find the Publish Rule button and click it. This final step activates the automation, and your Asana project is now primed for efficiency. Once published, take a moment to go back and check one of your tasks. Ensure that the automation is functioning as expected. Perhaps your task was automatically assigned to someone or moved to a different section upon completion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created rules and automations in Asana, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your project management capabilities.